Hi guys, today is Valentine's Day, so let's talk about love. The first expression for today is to fall in love with someone, meaning to start feeling love towards someone. I guess she's falling in love with her boss. I don't know guys if you got any plans for Valentine's Day, but if you don't, you can go on a double date. Double date is when two couples go out together on a date. Love at first sight. Fall in love the first time you see someone. That was love at first sight. Do you guys believe in love at first sight? Pop the question. Pop the question means to ask someone to marry you. She couldn't wait any longer, so she decided to pop the question. To tie the knot. This expression has a literal meaning. So to tie a knot is basically to do this. So I'm tying a knot right now. Yep, this is a knot. But this expression also has a figurative meaning. So to tie a knot means to get married. That was it for today. Go out, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe.